So this new channel that you see made about 6.8 million views just by simply making simple AI videos, which I'm gonna show you how to do in simple steps, and everything is for free. So this is the only hard thing you wanna do in this video, just to control and take this prompt that we're gonna use in ChatGPT, and then you come to ChatGPT, you drop the prompt, Control V, there's the prompt, and then we let ChatGPT do the work. You can see, like I said, this is a master prompt. We already have a lot of ideas that we're gonna work on. So you have to choose what you prefer. Number one, there's what leaf cutter end, then there's termite. Let's try termite for this one. So since termite is number 2, we wanna just press 2 here on the keyboard and then enter, and then we wait. The reason why I'm saying this is a master prompt, this is the only hard part of this video, is control paste. You see, creates our image prompt first. Nice image prompt, then the motion. Okay, so we're gonna take the image prompt like this, take our image prompt and then copy, and then we go to Grok. We move from here, then you go to the corner, you look for what image in, and then you come down and you press the first image prompt that we took from ChatGPT like this, and then enter, and then we wait. Already we have what we are looking for, so we choose one. I think I'm just gonna go with any of these. I'm gonna go with this one. And then after you choose, and you come here and you say what, make a video, and you go back to take the prompt. But 2, we're gonna add motion to our image, so we're gonna take these long script, and then we're just gonna straight what, copy. Then you go back to Grok and Control V like this, and then enter. Then we wait. It's over. We have our first video. Let's look at the results. Yeah, let's look at the results. See, it's nice. But now we want to extend. We're gonna pause it, and then we wanna go to the frame that we want to start from. I'd like to start from this frame, and then we go back to our ChatGPT. Then we wanna take our third prompt. Control, copy. And we go back to Grok, extend from frame here, and then now we paste our new prompt. Control V like this, and then done, it's extending. And then we wait again. Our video is almost done, so we're gonna play and see. As you can see, our video is now 11 seconds. Look now at the continuation. See how nice that is. That's how you make agents. So make sure you subscribe for free and easy to understand videos.